About 10% of churches in the US have any kind of ministry around this topic. And so if our churches aren't talking about it, if we're not raising the awareness of this issue, so many people are not going to come forward and get help. And we know the numbers of how many are struggling. So we put together a kit, a package of resources, free resources for the church. We're excited to begin to really help churches do this better.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Covenant Eyes podcast. Welcome to season 5. We are so happy to have you with us. You guys have been with us for 5 years on this wild ride of podcasting. Rob and Theo are back for season 5, and I could not be more thrilled. They are amazing to have on the show. Guys, I'm excited about what we have in store for this year. I don't know about you, but it's going to be a fun year.
Definitely looking forward to it. It has been it's amazing. It's 5 years already, but yeah, we've got some great guests. It's going to be a fun year.
I am definitely grateful to be back for season 5 and another season. Enjoyed season 4 very much. I'm looking forward to some different things we're going to try in this season, including some more topical conversations between us, as well as some great guests that we are planning. We look forward to season 5 a lot, though.
Yeah, it's going to be cool. We have a lot of cool guests. Do you guys have any that you're kind of excited about that maybe we could just name drop a couple? We don't want to give away too much, but maybe one or two.
I look forward to having some return guests like Joshua Broom. Also looking forward to interviewing some people like Father Sean Kilcawley, having our friend Father Alan Hoffa back on again, just to name a few.
Yeah, I think I'm really looking forward to. We're going to have Dr. Alveda King on in
That's going to be cool.
coming months. Karen, one of the comments we've heard last year was they really appreciate that we bring in so many different voices. And it's not us leading that conversation. It's allowing them to share their story, share their ministry, and so many different topics that come across. I talked to so many people who just really appreciate the wide variety of angles around this topic and the ministries that they've never heard of. And I think that's going to be a key again for us this year, is having so many great guests on such a wide range of topics, but all things that can help people move forward. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I agree. And the nice thing is too, is that, we have a variety of guests. So if you're looking for, help on overcoming pornography, we've got guests for that. If you're looking for ways that you can protect your children, and make good entertainment choices, which really ties into everything, because we live in such a pornified world that, just, getting Covenant Eyes on your smartphones, that's not enough anymore. Like, you also need to think about your entertainment choices, your music choices. Like, where is that pornified culture seeping into your lives? How do we strengthen our walk with God? So we try to bring in guests that are really holistic in helping us think about our walk and our faith. So I can't wait for all those conversations. And, the other exciting thing too is that, we have a lot going on here at Covenant Eyes. I mean, we've got the 5 Stones program, which I'll let you guys kind of chime in on that, but that is reaching hundreds and thousands of churches all across this country. And I want you guys to share a little bit about some of the excitement around that program and how we're really changing culture with that.
Yeah, so Covenant Eyes, most people know us for our software, but we've always had resources to help men and women and families, couples deal with the issue of pornography. Well, this last year, we really took those key resources for men, for women, for couples, and for families. We've put them in a package to help churches. Listen, the bottom line is unfortunately, our churches have not maybe addressed this topic well enough. According to Barna, only about 10% of churches in the US have any kind of ministry around this topic. And so if our churches aren't talking about it, if we're not raising the awareness of this issue, so many people are not going to come forward and get help. And we know the numbers of how many are struggling. So we put together a kit, a package of resources, free resources for the church that we'll send, that they'll be able to have resources for all these different demographics in the church, But also, and more importantly, it will help them begin to do ministry in this area, raise the awareness of it, talk about it, create those safe spaces for people to come forward where they know they can get good resources, they can find grace in really help and healing. And so we're excited to begin to really help churches do this better. And so that's a little bit about the five stones.
And for those of you watching the video version of this, you'll see that I'm holding one of those very boxes.
Don't you have
That is
like
our
300 at your house right now? I'm just
yes,
teasing you. You just got
yes,
back from a conference and had a few extras.
just a few,
Just a few.
just a few. But there was one of them. So this is the box. So if you go to our website, I'm here to help my church. You can order your free. Did we say free? Five Stones kit. So far, this has been very, very well received by Catholic priests, Protestant pastors, the entire body of Christ. And we want to get one in the hands of every pastor in this country.
Absolutely. And poor Theo, your voice is going quick. Oh my gosh. We just wore you out with season 4. So now in season 5 you have no voice left. I'm so sorry. We had so many conversations. We just took your voice right from you.
Not to mention all of the calls explaining the contents of
Oh
the Five
yes.
Stones kits
I
to all the
know.
pastors who
Oh
have
my
already received them.
And that's for real, and it is fun because, you brought up the calls, and I think that's something that's kind of cool, and I want to share with our listeners because, we have a whole team of people that's actually reaching out to churches all over this country to get them resourced with this Five Stones kit. And I think it's kind of incredible because, all of us on this team are talking to these churches who have not yet worked with Covenant Eyes. And so this might be their first step forward in addressing pornography. So this is incredible. Like I'm excited about that. We've been working hard in that for months now, and it's going to continue. It's a great effort. So if you're listening and you're like, I have no idea what they're talking about, Five Stones, what's that? Well, that's easy. All you have to do is come get in contact with our church team, and we'll get you a Five Stones kit, and we'll help your church make strides in this area in 2026. Well, hey, everybody. So, there's a lot of excitement coming this season. We're excited about everything that is going to be talked about, the topics. We're going to look forward to seeing your feedback. And if you have suggestions on guests or ideas on topics, you just send us a line. We have an email address, and it is podcast@covenanteyes.com. Just drop us a line. Let us know how we can serve you and your churches. And we'll see you soon on the next episode of the Covenant Eyes podcast. Take care. God bless.